Today we're making spicy shredded chicken tinga and meal prep idea. We're going to spray a pan with some oil, and then we're going to add some thinly sliced onion. This is about half of a medium onion, and we just want to cook these until they're nice and translucent. And once they're all nicely translucent, we're going to set these aside and make our sauce. I already previously cooked 3 tomatoes, and I put them in the blender. Added 1 tablespoon of tomato bouillon. This is the kind that I use. It has tomato bouillon with chicken flavor. And we're going to add 2 to 3 chipotle chilies. It's to your desired spiciness. I added 2. I thought about adding the 3rd one, but too spicy for now. And then once our sauce is nice and blended, we're going to add it to our onions. And make sure you get all that sauce. Add a little bit of water to your blender and add that in. And we're just going to let that simmer a little while so the flavors combine. And at this point you could taste it for salt, or if you want more of the bouillon in there, or more chipotle, you can go ahead and taste it and adjust it to your liking. Once it's ready, we're going to add our previously cooked and shredded chicken. In my case, I'm using chicken breast because I'm trying to keep this as low in fat as possible. But you can add any part of the chicken that you want shredded into this. And then we're going to mix it and cover it, let it simmer for about 10 minutes and so the sauce thickens, and we're ready to enjoy. You don't have to eat this with a meal prep. You can make it regular tinga with tostadas and sour cream or avocado, however it is that you eat tinga. But I just decided to add it as my meal prep because my regular chicken is just too bland, and this gives it a lot of flavor. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more of these videos. Bye!